Hi there, today I'm very excited because I'm going to be demonstrating for you how to sing in the style of Eddie Vedder, and I'm going to use one of my favourite songs of all time, Even Flow. Even flow, thoughts arrive like butterflies, yeah. Now, of course, I'm not going to sound like Eddie Vedder because I have a much higher voice, but I will be able to demonstrate the techniques that he uses to create those sounds that he makes. Eddie Vedder is a brilliant singer. If you don't know of him, he is the lead singer of Pearl Jam, another one of my favorite bands since the 90s when I was like 16, 17 years old. And Even Flow is a song that I've sung many times, and many times on tour. When I was touring a lot, this was one of the songs that we would play a lot on the road. Now, he uses a lot of different improvisations, embellishments. He does a lot of woo, a lot of yeah, a lot of oh, all the way through. He does a lot of embellishments. Now, what I always recommend when you're learning these songs is to start clean and add the sexy stuff in layers. So we start nice and clean with a clean voice. And luckily with this song, as in many songs, he also starts clean. So I'm not going to be able to sing a lot of the song because I will get a copyright strike. But right at the beginning, it's a nice clean sound and he sings freezing. Now, that's a very buzzy sound. It's a very masky sound and it's a very forward placement and quite high up in the mask. So we get freezing and it kind of opens up, right? Now, he does have a kind of open sound, and that's because he uses the raised soft palate. So he has a Kermit the Frog kind of sound. Freezing. I'm overdoing it so you can hear how it sounds. But when you come to do it, when you learn it and you establish the technique, you're able to modify it so it doesn't quite sound quite so Kermit the Froggy. Other singers who use this technique I've mentioned a lot in my videos: Dolores from the Cranberries, Christina Aguilera, Celine Dion. The first couple of lines of the verse are nice and clean. Now, in terms of scream and rasp and fry, he pretty much sings the whole of that first verse quite clean. There are some vocal flips and there's some fry in between. And maybe he will see a little better set of days. Okay, there's an at the end there. You can add those as you like. You don't have to sing it exactly the same as him, but that fry is there a lot. And when it gets to dark grin, there's a vocal flip. Dark grin, dark grin. Okay, now if you want to learn how to do those flips, go to my video that's going to pop up here. This is Zombie by the Cranberries, and there is lots of vocal flips in that. There are lots of vocal flips in that song. When we get to the chorus, it starts quite clean. Even flow. Now there's some vibrato there. So there is some vibrato there. You can add vibrato as you want. You don't have to do it exactly the same as him. Now he does start to add some rasp and scream here. Thoughts arrive like butterflies, yeah. You don't want it all over the chorus, just in parts. You won't get that if you don't have very strong and well-established mask technique. It must be forward placed. Otherwise, you're not going to get it and your voice will crack and flip and break and you'll lose control. Now, the main thing to remember with this song is that it's mostly a kind of speaking voice. Even if you have a higher voice like I do, it's much more speaky. Don't try to go in like a very melodic, and even though it's a nice melody, don't try to go in very singy. The main thing here is to get the control first. So you want to be able to sing the song with lots of control all the way through, and then you can add the fry, add the rasp, add the distortion, add the flips, add the vibrato. So you want nice, clean, forward placement, singing in the mask first. Then you want to be able to add vibrato without it flipping back and changing how your voice sounds. Once you've got that, you can add the distortion. If you're not sure how to sing with distortion, use my video that's going to pop up somewhere around here. Links will also be in the description. Leave all of the oohs, yeahs and screams out at first. Learn the song first. When you can sing the song all the way through with clean vocals, with distortion, with vibrato, then add the oohs, the yeahs, and the screams. If you try to do it all at once, you're going to get lost, you're going to lose placement, you're going to lose control, and you're going to feel like you can't do it. This is not a sprint. Singing is a marathon. Eddie Vedder is a brilliant singer. He's very, very controlled. And if you're just starting out, it's best to start clean. I can't iterate this enough. Start clean, then add all of the sexy stuff later. So I'm sorry that I couldn't sing more of the song. If you'd like vocal training with me, then I recommend heading to my website, take a look there, book yourself in for a consultation, and I will see you very soon. Stay hydrated. Ciao!